Welcome to Venice! Captain Colin, Mexican Gulf Fishing Company. We are on the jumbo tuna grounds. It is 7 in the morning. Pulled up to the school, got a bite. We're gonna see if we can't get some more bites, topwater stuff at the moment. We got some other techniques, valley dudes, whatnot. And we'll see what we can put together.
Holy.
Oh, we're from West Palm. We came to Venice to catch big ass tuna. And that's what we're doing.
You realize it's 6:46 in the morning right now?
Have your Wheaties.
Good work, son.
I need to come around. We got some extra large tunas popping around this morning. We happened to run right up on the school and got a good shot at one. Jared hooked one on a slide on. It is 6:59 in the morning, and we are fighting a jumbo yellow.
Out there.
I know, dude.
See how he's starting to come up?
I think he just lose the line, bro. I'm waiting on. I think he just lose the line, bro. I'm waiting on. This is why we're here.
How old are you today?
14.
14.
Your stone's gonna drop after you catch this fish.
Down here.
There you go. There you go.
137.
Craziest shit I've ever seen in my life.
Crazy about doing this.
Dude.
There's like a small section of timber on the plate.
Come over.
Oh.
That is about to spool me.
Come on, big handler, what you got?
Come on.
Yeah, boy.
Size 41.
Alright,
Back, boys. That's a stud right there.
you ain't doing this in West Palm.
Once.
He can't even hold his top up.
Reel. Break my reel. Iron trusted. Don't drop it in the water.
Yes, sir. Hey, pop it out the clip. Let me see. Go. What's the drag at? All right. That might have been one of the ones we were jigging with, huh?
I don't want to, it is what we're jigging with. You can go up a lot on that quote.
Side's too high up in the bow. There you go. Man, we just pulled up on the natural bottom. Our buddy Joey called us, said there was tunas blowing up on mackerels everywhere. We pulled up, got the ballyhoos out, and the tunas came up right next to the boat. One of our guys threw a popper perfectly in the blow up, hooked up immediately. To be continued. Oh, Turbo, let me get it.
Want another one on it?
Underneath the tent. There you go. Grab me a ballyhoo. Front starboard. Loosen that drag a little bit on that reel.
A little bit on my 45.
Get that gap out on the water right there. This morning. Oh, get him in the boat. That is cool.
Not cut. Yeah, it's big.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. It's in the...
What do you think it tastes like on a tower tonight?
Venice, Louisiana, baby.